Hello, today we are going to find the resistor value using the color code. So before starting, here I have a resistor with 4 color band. It has a 4 color band of A, B, C and E. This each 4 letter represent a separate band of the resistor. Here the A and B band represents the first two value of the resistor and the C band represents the multiplier band and D band is a tolerance band. Here I have the resistor color code table and the resistor. Now we will calculate how to find the resistor value. So first in this table we have 10 colors. Black has 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8, white 9. These 10 colors are the resistor color, and here I have the tolerance band color. Gold has plus or minus 5%, silver plus or minus 10%. If there is no color in the fourth band, then we will represent as plus or minus 20%. Now in A band we are having green color. So the value of green is 5. Just you write here 5. Next, the color in B band is blue. The value of blue color is 6. Write down here as 6. In green band, in C band, we are having orange color. The value of orange is 3. And next in D is a last band which is tolerance band. It is in golden color. The value of gold tolerance is plus or minus 5%. Note it down as plus or minus 5%. Now you write A and B band as it is, that is 5 and 6. Now here we are having third band, multiplier band as 3. Instead of multiplying, one of the easy way is just you can write 3 zeros after the first two value. That is, first you write 5 and 6, and in C band you are having 3. So you write here just 3 zeros. Then write the tolerance band value as plus or minus 5%. Then you will get the value of resistor, that is 56 kilo ohm. This is the simple way to calculate the resistor. Now here I have the other example with different color code. As in previous example, same thing, it is a 4 band resistor. The first A and B band gives the first two value of the resistor, and C band is multiplier band, D band is a tolerance band. By using color code, we will note down the values and then we will calculate the resistor. Now A band is of yellow color. The value of yellow color is 4. Note it down as 4. The value of B band is violet. The B band violet, the violet value is 7. Note it down as 7. Now next C. C is a multiplier band which consists red color. The value of red color is 2. So you write it down as 2. And D is a tolerance band with golden color. The tolerance value of gold is plus or minus 5%. So note down as plus or minus 5%. Now A and B are the first two value of resistor, A and B band value. So you write 4 and 7, that is 47. Followed with 2 zeros, 1, 2, because C is a multiplier band. Instead of multiplying, you can just write here 2 zeros. And you'll get as 4700 ohm with plus or minus 5% tolerance. That is 4.7 kilo ohm with plus or minus 5% tolerance. If you like this video, please comment in the section, and if you want more videos also, please comment in the section. Thank you for watching.